say it's raining very heavily out here. So I thought क्यों ना आप सबको टूर करा दिया जाए मेरी स्मॉल से गार्डन। You can see इतनी बारिश हो रही है, like all the pots are full. You see my beach, and this one is coriander. You see this is my jade. जब मैं इसे लेकर आई ना, all the leaves were like एक एक करके वो गिर गए. But you can see right now new leaves are coming. Here, and here too. Everywhere it's coming. I thought why not to give some बारिश का पानी. And this is my Raffina dragon tree. आप यहाँ भी देख सकते हैं. It has got 2 more trees. It's looking very beautiful. When shifting under, I guess कुछ टूट गया मुझसे यहाँ पर. You can see it. Got broke. So I am going to use that. I hope वो फिर से हो जाए. I tied it here ताकि ज़रा हिले ना टूट ना जाए. यहाँ पर this is my money plant and this is my मेथी जो पूरी तरह पानी में है. This is again my plant ड्राफिनिया जिसे मैंने कट करके यहाँ पर लगाया है. I'm waiting कि वो roots आ जाए and then I will put it inside. It is very good for room and its oxygen. So indoor plant है ये. You can keep it inside. This is my jasmine. It has got 2 kanya. I'm waiting for it to blow. So this is my छोटा सा garden. Okay guys, thank you for watching my channel. Do like and subscribe it. Bye.